What's up, guys? We are taking us another road trip, and where we're going today is a new Buc-ee's. It's one that has been open for the last few weeks. It is the Buc-ee's of Smith's Grove. If any of you guys are traveling I-65 going through Kentucky, it's down on the southern part of Kentucky going into Warren County. If you're around the Bowling Green area, the Corvette Museum and stuff like that, it is slightly north of Bowling Green. So we're just going to ride on down the road, go down there, check them out, maybe get us a sandwich or something, who knows, and just enjoy the day. Come with us. And guys, if you follow my other channel, you know that there's another store down here that we like to go visit every now and then too. Whenever I'm over in this area, I'll leave a card up in the corner if you're watching where you can go over to my other channel and check that out. There it is over to the left. See the sign there? So let's go in and check them out. Just endless rows of gas pumps. When you come to Buc-ee's, you gotta get some of that cheap gas. Why not? Alright guys, we've got our gas, and now we're just going to go in and check them out, see what all they got. Which, if you've been to a Buc-ee's, you know what that is. They got that good ice here too, as you can see. And they got rows and rows of it. Plenty of ice machines. You can see here in front of you. Get you a new grill. Here we go. Salsa coolers. This is a Saturday when we're here, and it's crazy in here. They've got the crowd. Got your plush pillows. A truckload of beavers. T-shirts, hats, get you a Buc-ee's coffee cup. You can kind of see the price there. They've also got these tumblers. There's all kinds of tumblers in here, just depending on what you're wanting. If you're needing one. Sweatshirts. A little more formal shirts. That's nice. Alright, if you're needing you a new Boogaloo shirt, there you go. Kind of with a Buc-ee's twist, a little bit different. Blankets, towels, just all kinds of craziness. Stuff for the kids. Since we're here in Kentucky, of course we got to have the UK merch. You UK fans out there, pretty nice shirts. You got more UK merch. You got U of L merch. So let me know down in the comments, are you a Kentucky or a Louisville fan? Drop me a comment down below. Umbrellas. We got some cooking stuff. Pretty neat. Very neat. Grilling. You got some of the, just all kinds of different utensils for grilling. You got gloves, scoops, just all kinds of stuff. That's the thing about the stores, they got a little bit of everything. They've got a ton of stuff in here, guys. You can see back behind me, they've got all kinds of coolers and stuff like that. You've got some coolers here. If you like the, well, not a Yeti, but it's a Yeti style cooler. And let's just turn you around, look at those. You can see here, see the price on them. Let's open one of them up. It's pretty nice. This is neat. SD card reader viewer. It's pretty cool. You got all your SD cards. Looks like you even got trail cams. That's pretty neat. You don't see many gas stations like this. Also got ammo cans, hearing protection. You got targets for your shooters, earplugs, just all kinds of stuff. You don't see that in too many gas stations. Need a new rifle case, a bipod, a monopod, all kinds of stuff. You got nomad gear, you got hats, you got shirts. So, not bad. Shoes, tennis shoes, flip-flops, slip-ons. Justin hats. Some of the other shirt designs they got here. Very cool, very cool. And got grunt styled stuff. Look at these shirts here. Not bad. Not bad at all. Of course, we got the candles and all kinds of air fresheners and stuff like that. You can see here all the different stuff. Some of the wall decorations that you can get. That one's nice.
That one looks good.
I like it. And that. You got some more decor. Excuse me. And guys, they got just about anything you could imagine to eat in here. We're gonna take a look at that too. Tortilla factory. You got sandwiches, you got fruit, all kinds of stuff. A banana pudding. All kinds of beef jerky. Just all kinds of it through here. And then you got it over up through here to where it's just endless rows of beef jerky. You can get free samples and buy it by the pound. And of course we've got Buc-ee. Man, they got some good fudge, I'm telling you. Oh man, look at that. Oh, I'm sorry. No, you're fine, you're fine. See there, getting fresh brisket chopped up. I'm telling you guys, the brisket sandwiches are to die. They are great. You got your ice cream and everything else. Okay. So the thing is with this place is that you are going to go in, you're going to buy your gas, and then you're going to end up spending a fortune in snacks. So I'll just go ahead and warn you. Anyways guys, hope you liked the video. Be sure to like, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, share the video, and guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Just to show you guys, this is the chicken burrito. Very, very large chicken burrito. And my wife got the chicken strips. You look at this, you get the chicken strips and the fries. Very nice, very good looking food, smells great, and we're gonna dig in.